Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into our daily analysis, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the charts and see what is happening for the price of Pepe and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. If we're looking at the top 100 coins, you can see the entire market right now is seeing massive green across the board. We're seeing a lot of altcoins in double digits. We've seen XRP really start this rally up. We've seen that finally the entire case that we've been seeing going on for the longest time, we have heard the biggest and the most positive news as of now. The judge itself has said XRP is not a security, and that has caused the price of XRP to explode, and the entire market is reacting with that. If we're looking at the price of Pepe, it's up 10% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up about 6.5% in Bitcoin and ETH comparative over the last 24 hours. But most importantly, let's focus on its market cap. Market cap is above $700 million now, and the 24-hour trading volume has also doubled compared to yesterday, currently sitting at almost $200 million. But we're going to look at what has changed and what are some next targets that we could be aiming for the price of Pepe in the immediate short term. All right, guys, before we get into that, as always, before I get into it, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at its market cap above $700 million, as you guys can see, and things are starting to look mega bullish. We've seen some massive big buys coming in, 50k, 15k, 8k. You guys get the idea. Things are starting to look great. But before we jump into the price, let me show you guys something crazy. The overall following count for Pepe's Twitter has gone above 400,000 followers. A huge day, not just for XRP but also for Pepe. And of course, if we're looking at its holder count, it's growing like there's no tomorrow. So things are starting to look mega bullish for the entire markets right now, and we are outperforming Bitcoin now. After that XRP news came out, look what happened to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance literally went down, because the reason as to why this is because a lot of money flew in from Bitcoin to XRP. Because of that news, people knew that it was going to perform really good after that announcement, and we did see XRP bounce up 100%, which is literally insane. But what is next with the price of XRP? I'm sorry, not XRP. Why am I still talking about XRP? What's the next step up for Pepe? Pepe is outperforming once again what we were talking about on my channel, and that's exactly what we're starting to see happen. Look where Pepe is right now. It's being stopped at this level of resistance that has come in our way since we broke out of this resistance, and we did see the price go up all the way to that 1.767 cents mark, when the market really reacted to the announcement. But right now what we're seeing Bitcoin do is Bitcoin has retraced a little bit. We did hit a new yearly high, of course, 31,800, which caused the entire market to boom. But we have seen Bitcoin retrace a little bit, currently sitting at $31,310. But nonetheless, things are starting to look great. And here, look at this chart, guys. This is like this chart. Whenever I look at the chart of Pepe, it really gives me really exciting feeling inside me, because look, if you guys watch my other update, I'm going to look at it on my phone real quick, so just bear with me. I want to see if I can still pull up this comment that came in. You know what, for time purposes I can't, because there's so many comments, but there was one comment that came. Oh, Crypto ZX, what kind of analysis are you doing? The price is looking really bearish. Are you kidding me? Look at how good this support held. Every single time we saw the price retest the support, we saw a bounce. And today, look what happened. As Bitcoin exploded to a new yearly high, which I've been continuously telling you, I said, we are going to see Pepe react to that. And look, Pepe has outperformed Bitcoin. And if you can see for yourself, if you picked it up just last night or even early in the morning at 1:40 0.472 cents mark. We were briefly below that level of resistance. You are up right now about 15%. And this is what Pepe will continue to do until it gets into those $billion market valuation. But remember what happened with Shiba Inu. We saw Shiba Inu crack past a couple $1 billion and then consolidated, and then in October to November, I don't remember exactly which month it was one of those months in 2021 where it exploded after the Coinbase announcement. And I think something very similar is going to happen, because now if Bitcoin continues to push as we do go into the weekend, the next massive level of resistance coming up for BTC is at 33,300. If Bitcoin continues to push towards that range, I could see Pepe really pushing towards that massive level of resistance, which we're waiting for at that 2065 cents mark, which could be the next target that could be on our books after, of course, we break out of that new monthly high. Because in order for us to break out of the monthly high, we are only, guys, just away about 13%. So if BTC pushes up to a newer high just in the next few hours, do expect that we will see a new monthly high for the price of Pepe. The expansion that Pepe is having is insane. We're seeing new followers coming in day by day, new holders coming in day by day. Things are looking mega bullish, and if people still don't think this is the bull run, I don't understand what is a bull run at that point. But things are starting to look insanely good for the entire market. But this is where I want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts right now? Are you guys still accumulating? I'm waiting for my payment to hit. Of course, YouTube is also something I do, but obviously I do have a full-time job. And I still grind out videos for you guys on a daily basis with a full-time job. So, I really hope that you guys can see how much work I'm putting in. So continue supporting me. And, that just kind of fuels me and keeps me going. But, I'm waiting for my pay to come in. The reason as to why I'm waiting for the pay to come in is because I'm seeing so many different opportunities in the crypto space. I have a massive bag in the crypto space already. But you can't get enough, because if you want to get that success, and again, all the money that I'm putting in right now, that's what I can afford to lose. I'm in a time in my life where, I am willing to take risks. If I lose that money, if something happens, if markets don't go the way we wanted, I'm okay. I can survive. And that's what you need to go in with. If you have a family to feed, if you have bills to pay, which I do also, but if you have all those things to do, the last thing you want to be doing is putting your life savings into crypto. A lot of people make that mistake, and let me give you a big heads up. That's the last thing you want to do. Stick to the words I say. Always invest what you personally can afford to lose. Something that does not keep you up all night, something that does not keep you worried 24/7. That's how investment should be. Obviously, youngsters that are still in high school, that are living with their parents and stuff, they comment in the comment section, there's not time for me to be investing, just a little bit, I can invest whatever. Okay, you need to realize that's yourself. There's a lot of other people with families and stuff. So listen carefully, guys. These green markets can move up very fast, but at the same time, it can go down really fast. I know we're all thinking, man, things are looking great. I want to jump more in. I want to keep jumping more in. But listen, you want to stick to what you have and never investing too much that you cannot afford to lose. That's one reminder I will continuously give my viewers. But that is it for today's update. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support you guys show me. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.